Oh, so guys, we're here and we met our uncle here.
Hi guys.
Yeah. My brother Moy is here also.
Yes.
Yeah. Because of music, we want to do it so fast.
Barbecue. This is a barbecue. Hi guys. Yes, Maja underscore KE.
How are you?
I'm fine, man.
Cool.
Welcome to my barbecue place.
Yeah.
Yes, my name's teacher underscore KE. That's my YouTube handle, eh?
Or city way, guys. So
Street food.
yeah, street food.
Yeah,
but you know, we have
in the village now. The village street food. That's my YouTube channel.
yeah.
Should I continue, Mr. Maja?
Yeah, but because of music, guys, we have to pause here. Yeah, because we have a lot of music, so I'm going to test this. A lot of music.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, good afternoon, guys. In case you're here, this is Maja underscore KE. So we are here at the farm, guys. Our maize has grown, so we are trying to harvest here. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Yes, I'm harvesting some
Maize or corns.
maize corn,
Yeah.
to cook some gideri.
Yeah, so guys, we are just from church. So today mom decided that she's going to cook gideri
Yes.
with her own maize, her own.
On maize, yes.
Yeah.
Not for buying.
Yes, not for buying.
Yeah, this is ours we planted. It is now ready.
Yeah.
We can at least enjoy
Our fruits. Like yeah, feel like this one. It's very healthy. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, that is the goodness of having a small farm just behind our home. You can plant some maize or veggies. We also have some pumpkins here that also we are going to harvest. Yeah.
So we are going to cook our gideri.
Yeah.
We shall mix with pumpkin.
Gideri with pumpkin.
Yes.
Ah. Hey, guys, I can't wait for that. Huh? Inakula? So we have the pumpkins here. We have some which are eaten, I don't know, with dogs.
They are dogs.
Dogs. Dogs eating pumpkin till it's rotten, guys. So hii tu ndio ilikuwa. So hizi tunazitoa tu. Okay, so we have to throw this away. Labda hata ndio zinafanya zingine zinaoza. Tupe kabisa mbaya.
Hapo ndani hakuna.
So we have also this one which is small. Okay. Ndogo. So the pumpkins are very small. Chukua hiyo nyingine tuende kutupa. You have to throw these ones. Kuna nyingine hapo nyuma.
Tuende kutupa. Mbona hizi ni zinaoza? Sana tu nazo ili itakuwa hapo.
Yeah, so we have some which are getting rotten. I don't know why, but yeah, there are so many over there. We have someone which is inside the compound over there, guys. So let's do away with this. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Hey, amekuwa. So village grandma is saying that the maize are really grown. I didn't expect this.
I didn't expect this.
Yeah. So this is enough.
I think they are
Enough.
to throw some for roasting.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, roasted, especially in the evening when we have some rain. And you get the roasted maize and a coffee or a black tea. Yeah, it's very nice, very sweet. So we are trying. So for githeri and for roasting are very different, yes?
So githeri, there are those who are somehow very what can
Soft.
I say? No, not very soft.
Very
so
soft.
the roasting and somehow soft.
Softer.
Yes,
Somehow softer. Yeah, so for the githeri, they have to be soft. But now for roasting, softer.
No,
Yeah.
githeri, yeah, soft. But roasting,
Softer. Okay. So that is what we have. And also, I saw a big banana here.
Here.
Yeah. I was here yesterday walking. I saw a banana. I think this one is ready.
Yeah, this one is ready, but put it away.
Yeah. So maybe
Next
next
we
week,
can approach.
this week. Today is on Sunday, tomorrow Monday, maybe on Sunday. Yeah, so maybe we can use it for Sunday. So guys, we were just visiting our farm here, small garden. So yeah, this is the goodness of having a farm. We don't have to go to the shop. Yeah, even if we have a lockdown, we can survive. Yeah, we can still eat and survive. Yes guys, so this is our village, Nyabuhansi. Yeah, and this is Maj_KE. This is my mom, guys, if you're new here, if you're newly subscribed. And this is my home, that is village grandpa's home. Yeah? Pumpkin. Oh, we have another pumpkin here. Oh, let's see this pumpkin over here. Oh, it's here, yes. There are two, three. 1, 2,
There's another one.
2, 3, 4. Small one, 4. So I think we should put them.
Don't open them.
Yeah, they're supposed to be like that because of sun.
Yeah, we are supposed even to cover them.
Oh, so maybe tomorrow. Today, you know, it's on Sunday. We're not supposed to work so much. Maybe tomorrow now we can come and cover it, guys, so that it can grow well. Yeah. So these are also the kales, which are this is zimeshazek. They are old now. Yeah. So we have to uproot them and transplant. Oh, here, yes.
Even these ones, some of them are young.
Yeah, we have also the hoho. Pilipili hoho. We call them pilipili hoho, and they are really growing so well. They are growing, guys. See. Which one? Oh, the kills. This is how it is, guys. Yeah, these kills, and also the weeds, man.
The weeds tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yeah, so it's growing very nice.
So we have also planted the others.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see how they are doing, guys. And also, Mom, you said you'll give me which?
This one. Yeah.
Oh, this one.
You take this, you plant.
Yes, guys. So this one, my mom has just given me this part from this point, like the whole of that to plant. I don't know. We should plant what, Mom?
Plant even kunde, even chinsaga.
Yeah.
Whichever.
Yeah. Greens. We can plant greens, or we can choose also to plant
You can
the
even put even pumpkins.
pumpkins or pili hoho or anything.
Yes.
Even but
Dania, you can put.
tomatoes are very hard to maintain. Maybe onions. Yeah, I think of onions, like the round bulb onions.
Bulb ones are also not very. You can put those ones.
Or spring onions.
Yes, you can take those ones. You put them.
Yeah, maybe that is the work for tomorrow, guys. So yeah, so here also.
Cannot disappoint you.
Okay, so maybe we are going to do that from tomorrow, guys. So this also is kales planted. We have a lot of kales in the village, not only in like in our village, but everywhere. Even in Nairobi, people love kales because they are easy also even to cook, and it's very fast, easy to maintain also. Yeah, so umechuna umechuna.
Leta hiyo ingine. Leta hiyo ingine.
So Maria has just plugged this one.
Yeah, enough.
Okay, enough. So we have to. It's okay. Yeah, so guys, I think this. Okay, so let's go back home. Yeah. What's up, guys? How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is our house manager over there.
Yes.
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine.
What are you doing?
I want to pull water for shower.
Yeah, for shower.
Yeah.
So guys, we don't have a hot shower here. So what we do, we boil from the burning charcoal. Yeah, we have to boil from there, guys. So this is a continuation of a video, guys, which we didn't finish. But anyway, guys, keep on tune. This is Maj_KE. So the house manager is laughing. I have different socks here. Yeah, but I really tried to look for another socks, but I didn't get it. Yeah, but anyway, guys, I hope you're doing good. And it's afternoon here in Africa. Yeah, the time is 4. It's 4 p.m. here in Africa. Yeah, 4 p.m. guys. So we are going to plant. This is the right time to plant anything, maybe say veggies and maybe onions. Guys, we are going to plant onions anyway. So yeah, we have this jembe here also, and we have my brother here, Moi, trying to
Sasa hivi mbona?
ai unataka kata?
Nataka tu tukate hapa tuende na
Oh,
so hii hata iko sawa.
twende tu nayo hata.
Iko sawa.
Chukue kisu. Saidia kisu auntie.
Kisu cha kukatia tu ile mizizi tu kinini.
So this is Moi. Introduce yourself, Moi.
Yes. Good evening. How are you? It is a good evening.
Yeah.
And have a good. The day is looking calm. And we are going now to plant. We are going to the shamba, small shamba, where we are going to plant onions so that we can use this in the future.
Yeah.
When we are at the shamba, we shall show you how we are going to plant this, and some instruction we shall give it when we are at the shamba.
Yeah. So guys, on Sunday I told you we are going to plant some onions. Yeah. Village grandma told me, gave me some. Ile hoi kwa ile. Kibai. We call it kibai. Kibai. Kibai, yes. Yeah, so this is a jembe that we have here. And also I don't know if you have some water that is running. We always have water, but right now the water is you can try and get water there. It's not every day, guys. So we have running water here, and it's very good because we can also use it over there, but we also have to get a very long pipe from here to the other end, just like it passes the fence. So we have these guys. Let's go and check how we plant the onions here in the village, guys. So yeah, I hope you're doing well, guys. Yeah.
It's like a small
Yeah, so my brother Mo is coming there with
all the mud.
with a rope. What is the rope used for?
The rope is used for strengthening the line when we are going to plant it. So we use it 2 sticks.
Yeah.
We chop 2 sticks. We put the another one there, and another one here.
Yeah.
When then we tied the rope on top of it,
Yes.
so that when we are going to plant the onions,
They be straight.
Yes, the straightness of the line.
Yeah.
So that when we are standing, you look that onion is looking on a straight line.
Exactly.
Yes.
So guys, this is Moi, my brother here, and also is helping us here too much at the farm and also inside the compound. Yeah, and I just he was going home, but now
Yes.
I
but
told
now,
him help me, bro.
Yes.
And
Now
he's
I'm
always
back.
there for me. Yeah.
Now we are going to plant this onion.
Yeah.
So you can see we have trying our best to plant some.
Oh, you are weeding here
yes,
today.
I have weed this. As you can see from there, on the small scale there.
Yeah, doing
From there
very
now
well.
we are going to plant now onions.
Yeah, slowly, guys.
Yes.
Maybe tomorrow you will be here.
Yes, tomorrow I will be here.
Eh.
Yes.
And what is this, Moi?
This what we
This.
call we call the seed. Now we are waiting so that it can be now germinate well. So then we shall cut it. This we shall cut this. Those that then we can replant again. This the seed. This when it is dry, there is some seeds coming from it. So when it's drying, now you put it then down. It's dried well. Then you remove the seed from it. Then you replant again.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is not going to be old. It is being recycled the way cycle. Then more. Then again and again.
You recycle.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's a very sweet vegetables.
Yeah. What is it called? I don't know, guys. You guys can tell us down the comment section.
Yes,
What
but
it's
I don't know
called.
how it's called in English, but in our Kikuria's language we call it omuchicha.
Oh, mchicha, yeah.
Yes, in our language, but in English we have not yet know it how it's called. But in our language it's called muchicha. Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
So, guys, he's a very good farmer. Also, you plant your own, like maybe maize, or
Yes.
what do you plant
Yes,
in
my-
seasons?
In seasons we plant something like maize, beans, and that's is what we plant in our season. And wherever we get it something like sweet potato, sometimes we can plant that one also.
According to seasons.
According to season. Also cassava now it doesn't have a season. You can plant it at any time so long as you have that cutting stick.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
So,
So long
guys, we learned something. Cassavas, you
Cassavas
can plant.
doesn't any time. It
Yeah.
doesn't have season.
Yeah.
It is any time when you want to plant cassava, you can plant anytime. Sun hours, season, rain season, and any times you can
Imagine,
plant cassava.
guys, in the village.
It doesn't have season.
And maize,
Maize it has season. In a year we plant two times.
2 times.
Yes. In January and in August, at least this September.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
In 2 years, it's 2 times a year. Yes.
You.
Yes.
So, guys, this is Moi, a very good brother of mine, helping us here at home. Of course, my parents, and also we have been like brothers now.
Yes. Now,
Yes.
even me, I'm enjoying the way since I've come here.
Yeah.
Now, I'm enjoying
Yeah.
the way
Come
I'm.
this side because of sun.
Yes. Yes. Since I come here, I'm really enjoying the life. I have not getting hard times with your parents. They have taken me as their son.
Yeah.
And also everything I want from them, in fact, they provide to me. And
Yeah.
I really enjoy. And we talk as I talk with my parents.
Yes,
So
yes.
I didn't have any problem with your parents.
Yeah.
They took me as their son.
Yeah, and of
Yes.
course, Moi is a born again person, goes to church every
Yes.
Sunday and also help us in church.
Yes.
Everything.
Yes.
You know, even me, I'm very happy when I see you. You know,
Yes.
in the morning when I wake up and hear you were there, like talking,
Yes.
I'm really very happy.
Yeah, also
Bro,
me, I've been
I really believe someday when I'm really blessed, the first person will be like maybe also blessing in my life and saying like this person was there in our lives.
Yes, and to appreciate it.
And to appreciate
Yes, yes.
is you. And also we have someone at the hardware. They know.
They know. Yes.
You guys, you are my first priority.
Yes.
Priority.
Yes.
In my mind, like when someday I'm that blessed.
Yes.
You're the first people.
Yes. Even
to be
I,
there. Yes.
Even I'm also blessed with some before. Oh, now guys, now here we are with the matcha.
Yeah.
Now I have been showing
He's
him
now
now
behind the camera.
yes. Now I want to see. A good students, the one you do something now. It is now doing practical.
Yeah.
Now to
Is
see
this
where
okay?
yes. Now it's good to see whether
Yes.
she get it what I have been or
Teaching.
have been showing him.
Yeah.
Now and I'm looking. She's very active now.
Yeah.
When she get it easily.
Yeah.
Now you can look the way. Yes. Now that one is good.
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys,
In
this
fact,
is how,
that one. In fact, now matcha, in some few days or some few months, now matcha now he will be a good farmer. Now he will be a teacher to show the other farm, so that the way she can plant or he can plant his onion or some tomatoes and whatever.
maybe next we should learn about tomatoes.
Yes.
Because I hear tomatoes are very hard to maintain.
Yeah, tomato is very hard to maintain, but when you get there is something that when you have it, in fact, there is nothing hard with tomato.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, in life, nothing is hard.
Yes.
It's just challenges.
It's all challenges, some challenges, small challenge, then that is all. Now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Namna gani?
Yes. Now.
Oh, my friend is here.
Yes. Now, yes. Well, let me look the way where they said. Yes. Now, yes, good. Now, match now is now coming up very seriously. Now you can see. Yes, that way. Yes, good.
Yeah.
Yes. So you can see Matcha when she can get the onion now. She can plant himself without me now, because the way I'm seeing how he is coming is a very active to learn something.
Yeah.
Yes.
I can learn so fast.
So fast. Yes.
Yeah.
It's not as Lolana. Yes. Now, yes. Thank you, my brother. Yeah. In fact, that's how we plant onion.
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys,
I have been hearing somebody saying
like this.
Yes. We'll not use it this like that jump, but they use this to weed.
To plant or weed yes,
something like that.
Yes. So guys, this is the place that village grandma gave to me. From this point, I think from watch the video from the start, from this point here, where I'm putting this djembe here, from this point to this point, and again to this point. Just a small portion that we can plant some. I don't even think it's a small portion, guys. It's a very big one. Yeah, for planting maybe what we have to plant today.
Yes.
So
this place is not small. When you plant something like onion, like vegetable, at least when it will do well, you may get something here, a very good money when you plant it well.
Yeah.
Something like onions has money.
Yeah.
In fact, as we, I don't know how I can make it, but the onion has money.
Yeah. But you know, I was talking to mom, and we were talking about the spring, not the spring onions, but the bulb onions. But she told me bulb onions ziko very expensive now.
It is very expensive. And yet second, that onion, sometimes there's a disease or some virus. There is some virus in this soil, which sometimes they attack us those onions. Sometimes it may not do well, but leaves onions, in fact, survive anywhere.
Anyway, yeah.
Yes, but when you can plant it well, it can do very well, and you can get something from it.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So, guys, oh, someone is. Hey, dog. Hey. Hello. Hey. Hello. Niko hapa home. Home. Kidogo tu nafanya kavida na kupigia. Yeah, so sorry guys, Nasto was calling me. Yeah, but now
we want to make now we want to put now our rope here now to strengthen our line so that we can now plant our onion.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the first stick here.
Yes, that's the first stick. We use it to tie our rope.
And you know, Moi, we are going to transplant from
yes.
Yeah.
We are going to transplant from there to
Yes.
this place.
Yeah.
So that now here we are making now want to dip now holes before we bring it our onions here.
Yeah.
Yes.
So there's no problem with maybe weeding these things.
No,
They are,
we at this time we had no problem, but we can plant then after some
time, then we weed.
We weed, then it looks very smart. We shall show the video. We shall show the video when it will be the time to weed.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. But right now, guys, I think Moi has told us that this place is okay to plant.
Yes.
Yeah.
The place is well. We now want to plant.
Yes.
Now after putting now our rope, now we make some holes.
Some holes.
Yes. So that now we are going to plant on that our hole our onions.
Wow.
Yes.
Not big holes.
Yeah, not big hole.
And why do you do small holes, not like long holes?
No, the onion it doesn't need to go deeply on the soil because when you go deeply on the soil, it will not be have a good health because when that sometimes we have a big or sometimes we may got raining in heavily raining. And now the sun will come contracting and no, that's why we are not going to deeply. Yes.
Okay, so you just have to have like small holes.
Small,
yes.
Like that.
Just small holes,
yes.
guys. Yeah.
Yes. Now you can see our onion will be at a straight line. When it will be germinate. When you can now come and photo that. Take the video, you can see the lines, the way it will be.
The line is very strict.
Yes.
No, that is the reason of this rope, guys.
That's the reason we are putting this rope.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So we are going to the next
line.
Let me squeeze here, guys.
The next line.
Okay.
Yes,
here.
There.
Here.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So we have the next line here, guys.
The next line.
Yeah. Yes.
And then.
Yeah. So I think should try.
Even that one, you can use even that.
Yeah.
You got to travel to me, Hey, kenapa kata bayung buaya balik? Kenapa tuh para aku betul mau banjir murah aja. Itu ada nih dukannya ada semacam nama ama. Baca bono kira aku masuk. Baca batu icimbira matu terus umucang.
Yeah. So this is how we do it. You know, this you just use one hand, but the other one. The other big one we use
yes,
two hands.
You can use it one hand.
One hand.
But that's why
the
old mama uses that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so the old mama in the village
Yes,
uses
this is that.
this because it's very easy and very
Very light.
very light.
Yes.
So yeah, so that's why also it's easy for me to hold a
With
camera.
one hand and then you can,
Yeah.
at the same time, the other hand can
Yeah,
use it to make another.
yeah, I think this is easier
Yes,
more than that one.
yes.
Yes, so we are going to the next
The next. Yes.
here.
There.
Oh
There.
yeah, so this is how we squeeze it so that it can, oh yeah,
There. Yeah, yes, there. Yes, that.
yeah, it's okay.
Yes, that.
Yes.
That way. This is the simplest way.
Yeah,
Even maize. Just this is how we are planting even maize,
yeah,
beans, and anything you want to make it to look smart
yes,
is the way. You only use the rope.
yeah. And also the space here is meant maybe to now a space for you to weed, yes,
Yes. That's
to
what
walk
now- yeah,
apart, to walk and
to walk. Even weeding, it's
Yeah.
giving you easy time. to
easy
weed.
time, yes.
Yes.
But also the the bigger jembe is very fast. You see, we are
Yes.
already done with that. We are going to the next one.
Yes.
Huh? Upper?
Yeah, up.
Yeah. Yeah. So you dig outside the rope,
Yes, outside, not inside.
not inside.
Yes.
Outside, yes.
We dig the way we are going.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very fast, very fast. You see?
Yes.
Oh. Hey, guys. The easiest way in the village how to
Yes.
plant maize,
Maize,
onions,
onions.
kales, everything.
Yes, everything. Even bananas.
Uh-huh.
You can use steel rope to
Okay.
make it in a straight line.
Yeah.
Yes.
See how it's very easy.
Very easy.
Yeah,
And very
less
fast.
than seconds. We are done. Less than seconds.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and what if maybe?
Yes.
What if we do the holes and then tomorrow we plant, but we can plant some holes here and some
And we
remain.
leave the other one until tomorrow.
Is it okay?
Is it okay still?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. And no problem.
No problem.
Yes.
Okay. You know, the rain can come and cover also the holes.
No.
Then So
But
guys,
the way the weather is looking,
yeah,
it's not going to rain during the night
yes,
hours.
yeah,
Now we can leave it the way we can. Now dig the hole, then we plant some lines.
yes.
Then tomorrow we come to finish.
Oh, okay.
Come closer.
Here,
Up.
upper.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, yeah. And what is the best time to maybe do something like this?
Anytime with the onion, maize, and to say even scales. Anytime. You can
I
plant.
thought maybe for onions and what else? Onions. Maybe also what else? Potatoes.
Mhm.
Not potatoes. Nyanya. Tomatoes.
Oh, tomatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
The right time is in the
in
evening.
the evening.
Yeah.
Tomato, something like kales. Now that and according to condition, we should plant. It is necessary to plant during evening hours.
Evening.
Why?
Yeah.
Because when you plant in the evening hours, there is that coldness of the night.
Mm-hmm.
That coldness, it brings some waters in the
Oh, the
land.
vapor.
Yes, the vapor. It's coming in the land during the night hours, so that that when you uproot it from the nursery, where you have been making the seedling bed, seed bed, then when you remove it from there, there is some roots. That roots get weakness, so that we cannot plant this during morning hours when the sun is coming. It will be fall down.
Oh, yeah.
That's why we plant it
in the evening.
In the evening.
Oh.
So that it can be, that the roots can get some waters. Then when it's come in the morning, it goes that way.
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, I hope you learn this, because what we are just told here, like planting in the evening is very healthy.
Yes.
Very healthy, because wherever you're planting, like especially the onions and the tomatoes, it's very good to plant in the evening. That's why we choose to do it in the evening, guys. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Very easy, very nice, and very simple.
Very simple.
Yeah. Here,
Yes.
now we have to live away here for
walking.
Sometimes yeah, surveying.
To weed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now?
Now we are going to bring now our onion.
Yeah.
Now we're going to uproot it from there.
To uproot from the other point,
Yes,
where
to
village
this.
grandma told me.
Yes. Now to bring it here.
Yeah. We can have some here.
No.
Huh?
It will be too close.
Just
Some.
this place is yes.
Yes. Like,
Some holes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So guys, we are trying our best, and this is one of the best people who do this.
Yes.
Yeah. So you have also to get some lessons
Yes.
and to do more.
Yes.
So we have this
Now.
to uproot.
This onion, as you can see,
Mm.
is not getting. We have been planting in the farm a few days back.
Mm.
Now it has not doing well
Mm.
still,
Mm.
but it was on the way when we are going to weed it, then it will become well health.
Mhm.
Now let us we uproot
Transplant,
from,
yes.
transplant there. We shall be now look how the way it will be coming.
Yeah, I
Yes.
believe everything will be well.
Yes.
And also,
Now
you have to.
Yes. Now you bring it so that you cannot cut it here.
Mm.
Yeah, so that yes,
the
yes, the
roots.
roots. Now after we are going there, then we shall go. I'm going to show you.
Mm.
We are not going to plant the way it is.
Oh yeah, you split them.
Yeah, no, you split it, and then you cut the roots.
Mm.
You cut the leaves.
Mhm.
Then it will come out
Okay.
again.
Oh
Yes.
yeah. So guys,
Yes.
we have this.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're not going to move all of them.
Yes.
Uh,
We are
some,
going
yes.
to remove a few of them
Mhm.
so that we can go to plant. Now,
To see how
yes,
they
see how
will work, yes.
It will be
working.
going to do.
So tomorrow in the morning, maybe we will be watering them.
Yes,
Mm.
yes. We can go with that
Mm.
so that we can plant.
Start with that,
We can
yes.
start with that.
Mm.
Then we shall see whether tomorrow we shall continue
Yeah.
with it. This is not supposed to be here.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
It's near the.
Yes. No, now you can see. Look at this. Now this, it has been coming now a waste.
This is a waste.
This is a waste because
Maybe these ones we can use at home.
you can use now this at home.
Cooking.
Cooking.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Now we can go there. Now we plant our onion.
Yeah. So guys, this is what we have right now.
Yes.
Yeah, farming guys in Africa. Mhm. Yeah, and also Moi doesn't have gumboots, so I
Yes.
think we should plan for that, guys.
Yes. Now, in fact, the one I've been using seeing it has get old.
Yeah,
Now,
they are
yeah.
worn out. So
Yes.
he's looking his old shoes
Yes,
here.
yes.
Yeah, guys,
Now-
we can
Now
support
put
him,
down now.
and also
Now this our onion which we want to plant now. This is not ready to plant.
mm,
Now we are going now to split it and to cut it. Now you cannot plant with these roots the way you have uprooted from there, because when you plant with this take time. The onion
oh
will take
yeah,
time.
because they are many.
Yeah, they are many. Now
They
even
depend on their
if,
self.
yes.
Yeah.
And,
Okay.
and,
Okay.
and in another way, these roots, where you are not going to cut it, when you plant it, it is come somehow like this. Now it's going on. It will take a long time to get. Now you cut it this way. Now you cut it this way. It remaining short like that.
Oh.
Yes. Now when it's remain short like that, when you are going to, now you start splitting them. It's like this. Yes. Then
So and also other thing I thought, like when they are many like this, they grow very small.
yes, very small.
Yeah,
They're
when they
not,
are many.
they are not getting health.
Yeah.
Yes.
So when you grow maybe two or
Yes, or
one,
two, even one.
Mm.
It do. It make it even one.
Okay.
Yes. So long as you cut it the roots, it will still make it. Now you cut now the leaf. Now this now you can see somebody, when somebody who has not planted the onion, when she come here or he come here, he may tell you that you are a nini, you are going to
Spoil the.
I'm spoiling it.
Yeah, it's a waste now.
It's in our waste.
Yeah.
But with us, those who we have been planting the onion,
Yeah.
this is the way of how onion is being planted.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is how we are learning, guys.
Yes. Now you cut it this way. Then in some few months you will not see. Then it brings the.
Okay. Let me ask you.
Yes.
How many maybe days or weeks or months does it take to maybe now use this?
So if there is the rain like now, the way the rain is raining, these things are going to take only 1 month.
1 month.
After 1 month, the onion now will come here and see it's going to get health, and now you can use it you can use it. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
So guys, we are looking forward to have a very big
yes.
spring onion.
Yes.
You know, these are very tiny.
Yes.
But now, guys, I believe this farm will bring us a very healthy onions, spring
yes.
onions. That
Yes.
is, guys, yeah. So
And I think we shall show you the way.
the process.
Yes, the
every
process.
day.
Every day, the way we are going,
Yeah.
we shall showing you. Yes.
So, and also, you know how, I don't know why they put this moi. It's a mitaro, is the
Oh, what?
drainage.
Drainage.
Yeah.
The reason why we make drainage is because of water.
We have a lot of water, especially this place is swampy area.
Yeah, it's a swampy area.
Swampy area.
So
yeah, so
the importance of this, beside that of swamps, is because when it is raining, we can come here, and when the water is flowing, it may collect. We may come and close this place, so that water can still stand
be
here.
stagnant. Yes.
Stagnant here, so that this water which is here inside here, they can be used with this.
Oh
Yes.
yeah.
Now it's going to enter slowly by slowly from there, from the other side.
Yeah.
So that
Going down.
Going down.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's why, guys, you can see we have
That's one way of not wasting water.
water.
Yes.
Yes, and also not using a lot of water.
A lot of water.
Yeah.
Yes.
So not using when it rains, not using maybe the
Yes.
jerry cans, everything.
something like that. Yes.
So you see, we have every portion, like I don't know how many meters from here to there, but you see we have some.
It's almost 15 meters.
15 meters.
Yes.
Yeah, 15 meters from that point, guys,
that
to hit
point.
to this point, again to that point. Yeah, everywhere. So, and also it's also, I think it's used not to destroy also the chaos and anything that you have planted here.
Yes.
You see, if you don't do this, a lot of your vegetables or whatever you're planting will be spoiled.
Yes.
But if you do this, like water drainage,
And also the use of this, sometimes you may get maybe our friends or somebody like
Wants
our
to pass,
moms,
yes.
is passing or to come to see how we are going with your small farming or what. You may get somebody has walking here, noticing and step on maybe on our kale, on our onion. So instead of walking on top of it, now he can use this.
this part,
Yeah, now
yes,
this part now to walk and
to
look
work,
how-
yes,
how
not to
is it.
spoil
Yes.
the, yeah,
Yes.
exactly, yes.
Yes. Now our onion now is ready. This now is ready to plant.
Yeah.
Now we are going to put it on our shimo, which is our
the holes.
which we have make it.
Yeah.
Now we put it
Give
that
me
way.
some, I help
Yes.
you. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Now we are putting
yeah.
that way.
So let's start from here, guys. Are we going to put like
One the way
one?
the way have split it. Yes.
Oh,
like
this way.
that.
Yes.
Yes.
So you see how we do it,
Yeah,
guys.
like that.
Yeah. Is this too many?
No. Yes,
It's okay.
That one is many. Now we can split it this way. and
Exactly.
it- Yes.
So we put like this. Maybe we can put two or three.
Or three.
Yeah.
Because
Uh,
we don't have many which we can use it.
yeah.
Now we are going to split it
Three. And
three.
if you have small like this, you can maybe put
Yes,
three.
yes.
But big, you can put two.
You can put two.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, like this is big, guys.
Yes, that's
So we put two. This one also. I think this one you can put like that. Yeah.
yes. Now, after we have put like that, when there is something, when is sun season, we can now use water to plant it. Can you put water in the hole? Then after that, you come now to plant. But now the way you see our hole is getting wet.
Yeah, it's wet.
It
Yes.
is wet. Now we are going to start planting our onion. Now we have been, this is our hole. Now you do this, this way, then you plant your onion, then you do like, you bring like that.
Imagine,
Yes.
guys.
Yes.
Very simple.
Very simple.
Yeah.
Yes. Very
so
simple.
you just put small soil.
Yes.
Then
You
see.
Yes.
You put small soil.
Small
then
soil.
the
Then
hole.
then on that like that.
Imagine. Yeah, this is how
Yes.
they plant. So
Yes.
Moi is a very good farmer. Yeah,
Yes.
guys.
That's how
Yeah.
it's being
Yeah,
planted.
guys,
Yes.
and of course, if you want to support Moi,
yes.
support him. Yeah. You know what he does. He's a
Yes.
farmer. If you have a farmer nearby, guys,
Yes.
you can reach out to me.
Yes.
Then you will get him to support you and also show you how to plant this.
Look now, that's our line
A
now.
line.
It is
Straight
it is
line.
a straight line. Although is now the way we have planted that not do have leaves, you cannot see it well. But when it is get ready, you'll get it on a straight line. When you stand, even you'll not go down. You stand to like this, then you see,
see
the
the-
way it is. The way
is how
it
it
is
is.
straight. Yes.
So yeah, this is how we plant it, guys. Like see, it's like it's already growing, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, we hope for the best.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like it's already growing.
Yes. Like that.
Yeah. hope the results will become the best.
The best.
Yes.
Yes. And we shall be here.
Yeah, we shall be here
when the result is coming.
Yes.
So that now our watchers can now see our work.
Yeah.
How is it
Yeah.
going? Yes. I think there is some previous video we take it.
Yeah, here the
yes,
kills, but we didn't revisit.
When it was too straight very badly.
Yeah, but we didn't revisit.
Yeah, we didn't revisit again. Now we see the way now is it.
Yeah, it's grown, guys.
In fact, that time you could not believe the way now it is. But now
it was very
see.
small, like as small as not even this. It was small as this.
Yes.
This.
Yeah, like that.
This one.
But
yeah.
now
it's.
You can see it.
We are transplanting now.
We shall revisit our shamba so that we can see how it is going.
Maybe after how long we should revisit our farm? After how long?
Not too long. According to a good farmer, you should revisit your farmer or your shamba every 1 week. At the second week, you should be on the farm so that you look, it is straight. It is some aphid. There is some aphid that is destroying these things. These are our crops.
Sure.
So that you may come, every 1 week, the second week, you visit your shamba. 1 week, second week, you visit the shamba so that you can see how it is going.
Yeah,
yes.
Exactly. So guys, this farm over here that I was given with village grandma, this small portion here,
yes,
this is for me and Moi.
Yes.
Sasa Moi, hii itakuwa yangu na yako.
Yes.
If we have some customers,
yes,
we will get the same shares.
Yes.
Me and you.
Yes.
Same shares.
Yes.
Like 50-50.
Yes.
Hey.
So let's say this way. Let us find our onions. Let's find onion and then we plant it. Then after planting we make it the shamba, weed, then it will come. Now after our onion have get ready, now we shall go to the market. Now we find our customer.
Yeah.
Then,
but you know, here in the village, I find it like people come to the farm.
Now, yes.
Yeah,
That's the advantage we have.
Farm, yes.
That's
so
the advantage we have.
what I'm saying, like this we have planted me and you.
Yes.
So I want me and you to get 50-50.
Yes.
You
So
will get
equally
50
shares.
equally shares.
Yes.
50-50. You 50, me 50.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
So you,
and
even me, I can. Okay, let me say me, I'll get 40. Let me get 40.
yes.
Because for you have children and everything.
Yes.
So for here, if you sell, me I get 40, you get 60.
Yes. Let us wait our result. Now our result is what will give us what to achieve.
Yes, exactly.
But
yeah.
and I thank God and I know God will bring you a good result.
Yeah.
Yes, and that's what I hope. Yeah, I thank God for that.
Yes.
And now we have reached that's the end of this evening.
Yeah.
We shall be here again tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow morning
Yeah,
we
tomorrow
should
morning we
start
shall
from
be
here now.
Now we complete our
Small garden.
Yes, our small garden.
Yeah.
Now, and I think we shall watch it from there. Now let us leave our shamba now, and I thanks God, and I think we should be here again tomorrow.
Yeah, we should. Tomorrow morning, guys, don't skip the video tomorrow morning. We will be here.
Yes. To complete it. Yes.
Because we have Moi is going back to some duties.
Yes.
And also I'm alone, maybe holding my camera alone and also planting. It will be hard for me, guys, I'm sorry. But maybe I can continue with some. But yeah. But for Moi, thank you so much, Moi.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Let me continue because
we shall continue tomorrow.
Yeah.
And let us go to our various duties, so that we shall continue tomorrow.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Moi. So we are also the rope. We are finished with the rope.
With the rope. Until then, tomorrow if we should continue. We should still again use it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
So let me try and finish up with this, so that, because guys, I've also for sure, I can't lie, I didn't know about planting onions, like spring onions. But today, guys, we have these lessons here, and if you haven't also you didn't know how to plant spring onions, this is how they plant here in the village, especially in the village. And I can't say also that I didn't know that much about planting, but I know planting maize, I know planting everything, but onions is very delicate, yes, very delicate.
Yes.
You have to be very careful with planting this. Yes,
Very careful.
Mhm.
And if you are not very careful, you will not get good.
You will not get you will not
result.
uproot.
Yes, you
Yeah,
will not get
the
a good
fruit.
result. You will get something which is not. Even the customer when will come will tell you this. What is this?
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
Something like that.
So something that I have really learned is cutting the
leaves.
the leaves,
Yes, the roots.
the roots,
Yes,
the
something
leaves
like
and the
that.
roots. Yeah,
Yes.
that is what I didn't know. For me, if I came here alone, I could plant it like the way they are. You see now. Yeah, so we learn.
And that one which is very wrong.
Yeah, very wrong.
Very wrong.
Very wrong.
Yes.
So we have learned something, guys. So this is the roots that we have cut from here. So is this unatupa tu?
Yeah, so now you can.
Yeah, dispose them. Yes, so maybe we can get some. Labda uende tu na ile jembe nijaribu kumaliza
Yeah.
moja.
Sawa.
Yeah, thank you, Moi.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Yeah, God
And
bless
I
you.
remember what you told me.
Yes.
I'm here for you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Also,
Mhm.
I have been. Remember, I have been previous saying tells you that I will tell you on August maybe. you
Yeah,
will
August.
support.
Yes.
Yes. Now, on August on 18th,
Yeah.
I think I would like you to support me something like
Yeah.
1 crate of soda, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll be there, guys.
Yes.
Moi has Isa.
A visit. Just there is some visitors will be at home.
Yeah.
Now we shall be now enjoying their home there as our traditional ceremonies.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Ceremonies.
Yes,
at
like
home.
something like that.
Yeah. So
Yes.
guys, Moi told me to be there and help him with 1
Yes.
crate of soda.
Yes.
So I will be there,
Yes.
and I will be maybe doing even more if God
Yeah,
blesses me.
Yes.
Even more.
Even more.
Even
Thank
more.
you.
So
And I will feel very happy, my brother.
yeah,
Yes.
of course, yes.
Thank you.
And God bless you.
Thank you.
You are really
We shall
a
meet
brother.
tomorrow. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. You can now, if you want to continue, you can uproot this.
Mhm.
You can remove one this.
Yeah.
And
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Oh, because they are.
Yes, they are near with that. Without our
Eh,
baby.
this one.
Now you can remove it. Yes.
Now,
Now you
This one?
Now you should go downly. You should dig deeply so that you can
Get
not
this.
You cannot destroy them.
mm.
Yes.
So this one, there's no need to cut this.
Yes, you must cut it.
Oh.
Yes. So
Yeah.
do I leave for you this knife?
Yes.
Yes,
Thank
thank
you
you.
so much. So, yeah, just uprooted that one, guys. And also we are looking for more, so that, yeah. So guys, if you don't know how to maybe plant or transplant the onions, this is how you do it. Yeah. Yes. So we have these. So you don't have to uproot every onion. You have to look for some. Yeah. So this is just for today. Yeah. Select this. Very fine one. Oh, very fine one. So yeah. let's look for the next one, guys. So guys, if you're new here, this is Maj_KE. Kindly subscribe to my channel, watch till the end, and yeah, don't skip the ads, guys. Yeah, and also be positive and also be encouraging anyone that is trying to do a genuine work, not even trying, someone who is doing a genuine work. Always support him, because you never know tomorrow. And all I can say is, like, don't look down on anyone, and also don't forget where you came from, and also don't forget your of course, don't forget your roots and where you came from. That is all I can tell you, guys. Until our next video, this is my home. This is Maj_KE from Nyabohansa village, and this is my village. Until our next one, peace and love.
Yes.
Imeanza tena lakini
Oh.
ikionyesha red up.
Oh, imeanza.
Endelea. Tuna tu.
Yes, that now that one is enough. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so guys, we have this one for supper.
Yes, that one is for supper. Yes. Now you can look the way this look healthy.
Yeah, I think have this one is grown.
Yes. This is what we called
Pilipili hoho.
yeah, and it is, you can see the way it has make it some
Yeah,
fruits.
they are grown.
Yes. They have
Yeah, I
grown.
think from the video, guys, watch it from the start. We got someone's from
Yes.
here. Yeah, that we used on Sunday. Yeah.